Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix text ledger is not specified in Tally Prime. Now make sure to watch this video as a lot of people are facing this kind of issue. So I'll tell you how you can solve this issue. So basically this is one of the solutions that is given by, as you can see, someone asked the same question, text ledger is not specified in Tally Prime. So this is the person who answered it, and this answer got like 26 votes and 4.2 rating. So make sure to follow these steps, and after that you will be able to solve your problem as well. Now step 1 is just select the exception date, basically the exception text rate or the text type not specified, and press enter. And once you select it, select the nature of transaction if not provided. Like, it will be already provided, but let's say in your case it is not provided, so you can just select the nature of transaction, and after that enter rate details as required for each transaction. Just enter rate details. Next step is just provide SGST or UTGST and CGST rates. Basically make sure that these rates are correct and accurate, and once you provide all those details except the screen, just say yes, or you can just as always you can press Control A to save. Once you do that, after that hopefully your problem will be fixed and you will be able to use it.